Emulsun is a sunflower oil-based emulsifier that can be used in a one-pot process. That means you can mix the waters and the oils in the same vessel before heating. The emulsifier is nonionic and in powder form for better handling.
Some girls use a lubricating cream or lotion to prevent skin roughness or chapping.
Now, I bought this from a company that doesn't seem to supply ingredients to small manufacturers or DIYers anymore.
Keep looking around. Try to find out what the score is.
It's a great emulsifier. I mean, it's a great emulsifier because it just works. You know, like BTMS just works, it just works. But unlike BTMS, Emulsun is non-ionic, so you can use it for a wide variety of purposes, including making lotions, creams, facial milks, conditioners, leave-ins, etc. You can get more recipes and formulas like this, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information at CURLYTEA.com. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon. So I'll talk to all of you guys soon.